What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I want to show you guys another cash out on Swagbucks. The link to this site will be in the description. You can sign up. You'll get a bonus. It is a really, really good site. It's one of my favorites. It's definitely in my top three as far as like sites that I make money with. So you see here, right there, I have 2,239 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $22.39. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna show you how I make money with this site. I mean, fairly simple. Right off the top, you can see little things they do. Like right here, you can watch some videos. Check that out. You get 5 Swagbucks for doing that. It's like watch maybe 7 of them, I think, and you get 5 cents for doing that. Surveys, of course, is probably one of the biggest ways I make money on here because I'm gonna show you something. They have lots of surveys here, and on top of that, they offer disqualification points. So you see here all of these surveys, and I'm gonna keep scrolling down just to show you how many they have. There's a lots of surveys. You see here like 5 minutes, 50 Swagbucks, which is basically 50 cents. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of opportunity on the surveys because there are so many. Just all of these surveys, y'all. I mean, the thing about it is, like I said, you will get disqualification points for attempting to do one and you don't qualify for it. So, I mean, you're gonna get money regardless in doing the survey. So that's where I really get a lot of my money on here. Also, for those of you who have trouble qualifying for surveys, they have this thing here, your survey profile, where you basically just answer questions, and for every 10 questions you answer, you get 2 Swagbucks, which is very helpful because when you're answering these questions, that kind of helps them determine what kind of surveys to give you, so that way you're not disqualifying all the time for surveys. You're more likely to qualify when you had that continually filled out. And the thing about it is they'll ask you to do it every now and then. Like one day you might go through and answer all the questions, then maybe 2 days later you have more. But the thing is, they're paying you to do it. So, I mean, I got to get on that. I got 2 more questions to answer. So just pay attention to that. Always have your survey profile filled out. That way, you know, you're not getting just surveys all over the place and you're disqualifying all over the place. I mean, I have a lot of surveys here, and it's mainly because I filled out that survey profile, and I still have more to do. So, like I said, you get at least a point for every one of these. All right. So, let me show you some other things you can hear. They have a daily poll right here. This daily poll, it's just basically one question. You can answer it, and you know you get paid for that. So, do you shut your laptop when you're not using it? Yes, always. Click on that. Then I go down to vote and earn 1 Swagbuck for doing that. Like I said, just one question. You can do that every day. And you see there, my balance went up to 22.40. So, I mean, that's the daily poll. I showed you the surveys. Also on here, they have some offers that you can do. If I go down, well, let me show you. It might be up here real quick. Different things you can do over here to this tab right here. They have in-store deals. They have Discover. That's where a lot of their offers are. Also right here, you see you can get paid to search. You just type in, you know, different keywords you want to search, and you'll get paid for doing that as well. Now, you might not get it on the first attempt, but you just keep doing it, and eventually they will pay you. I think I've gotten paid like twice in one day. Sometimes they only pay you once per day, but sometimes you can get it twice because they don't want you to, you know, overdo that, but you can get paid to search. That's just another thing to keep in mind. So right now I'm gonna show you guys a cash out, and I'm gonna show you one thing that's really cool about this site. So I'm gonna go here to rewards, and remind you I have $22.40 in my account, but I'm actually going to cash out $25 because on this site they have the on sale rewards right here. So I'm going to get this Visa $25 gift card, and they only want 2,175 Swagbucks. So basically I'm getting a really big discount. They're only saying, you know, give us $21.75 and we'll give you $25. So that's a really good trade in my opinion. They have other things you can cash out with. Of course, they have Amazon, they have PayPal, they have so many different gift cards. You can kind of line them up right here, like things you want for $1 to $5, you know, things like that. Down here is the most popular rewards. Like I said, PayPal, you know, Amazon. You can cash out at a minimum of $5 on here. PayPal is a minimum of $5 too. Just right now, the most popular one is $10 at this point. So you see here, they also have gift cards discounted on Amazon as well. So you can get a $25 Visa gift card and only give them 2,200 Swagbucks. So there's a lot of opportunity on here. There are not many sites that are really offering discounts on gift cards like that. So that's why I really love this site, because you're getting literally more for your money. So I'm gonna click on this one right here, and it's going to basically just kind of show me kind of the terms and conditions, things like that. And I'm going to click claim gift card, and when I claim it, my address and all that stuff is going to pop up. So I'm going to put the computer down here. I'm going to put the my camera down here. I'm just going to confirm my address and all that kind of stuff. And you'll see here, I have a security question I got to answer, so I'm going to answer that real quick. So hold tight on that one. Just answering the question. And it usually takes probably like a couple days for you to actually get your gift card. So I'm going to click submit. And after I click submit, right there, you just verified your gift card. So it's on the way. I gotta check my email. Well, like I said, it takes a few days to get to you. So that's really how you make money with this site. Again, I still have money in my account. I got 65 Swagbucks at 65 cents. So now I gotta work on building it back up. So I just wanted to show you guys. Like I said, it's one of my favorite sites. I use it a lot. I use it literally like every day. You know what I'm saying? Just making different ways to make money with it. I search, I do surveys, I watch videos, all that kind of good stuff. And little by little, it piles up to the point where I'm cashing out at least once a week, getting $25 or $20, whatever it is. I usually get that on sale gift card. So $25 a week basically comes out to $100 a month just off one site. So I really recommend this site to you guys. Again, the link to it will be in the description. Sign up, you get a bonus. It is a lot of opportunity. I didn't even show you here. They have a daily goal that you can do every day. Like here, earn 30 Swagbucks and you get 3 Swagbucks for free. So there's a lot of opportunity on this site. I mean, it's just really about you just, signing up and getting started. So like I said, sign up today. Click on the link in the description. Start making this easy money. And always remember, every penny counts.